Good morning, students. In the last session, we learned the ratios of area of similar triangle. What is the ratio of area of similar triangle? The ratio is their corresponding product of the corresponding base into height of the triangle. Now, in this session, one theorem we have to learn, that theorem of areas of similar triangle. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of their triangles equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. This we have to prove. The ratio of area of those triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Before what you learn, the ratios of area of triangle is equal to half of base into height of the corresponding triangle. Half is cancelled out, therefore it will be a product of their bases into height. Now in this session we have to see the similar triangle areas ratio become the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Okay students, very simple question it is also. Now listen. The concept only here, what? The two triangles are, they should be a similar. Similar means all the angles are congruent and sides are in a equal proportion. Always remember, when the similar word comes to means in front of you, when you listen that word, it should remind that the angles of both the triangles are congruent and their sides, corresponding sides, not only side, corresponding side, one to one correspondence is very important in a similarity. Their corresponding sides are in a equal proportion. Okay student, now see, these are the two triangles, which triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now students, if you are observing these two triangles, what is given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Means this triangle ABC having AD is a height, and in the triangle PQR this PS is a height. Now students, what is given here? These two things are given. These two triangles similar and their sides are given. Now, what to prove? We have to prove that the ratio of area of these two triangles, means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, or equal to BC square upon QR square and AC square upon PR square. Means any one side is given to you, then you can easily find out the ratios of their area if corresponding side. The side should be a corresponding. Very simple concept. What to prove? Very simple. Now listen, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. What is area? Area is equal to their base into height. So what is area of triangle ABC? The triangle ABC area is equal to triangle ABC area is equal to base BC into height AD, and therefore it is BC into AD. So triangle PQR, their QR into PS. So this QR into PS is the base and height of the another triangle. So therefore this though we know. This is by what? This is by by the formula. Now this over. After this, just give the one equation number. Now in triangle ABD, which triangle? Triangle ABD and triangle PQS. ABD and PQS. Angle B is congruent with angle Q because the given also and the corresponding angles of the similar triangles are congruent. So angle ADB is also equal to APSQ because each 90 degree, and therefore these two triangles also congruent by AA test. These two triangles also similar, not congruent, sorry, similar by AA test. If they are similar by AA test, means their sides are in equal proportion, and therefore AD upon PS is equal to BD upon QS, which is equal to AB upon PQ. Okay, means you can say AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PS. Okay, but triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So what is AB upon PQ? Your AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. Substitute this equation in equation first. BC upon QR is equal to what? BC upon QR is indirectly equal to AD upon PS, and therefore by substituting the value, what you will get? BC upon QR into AD upon PS, that is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. So BC upon QR, BC upon QR means it should be a square. In similar way, you can substitute AB upon PQ and AC upon PR also. And therefore, it proved that when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of this triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. And when you are using this theorem to solve the problem, you have to mention by the theorem of area of similar triangle. Very simple theorem, very simple concept. Read it properly and learn it. Study well. Now, on this basis, we have to solve the practice set 1.4. Now, see the question number first. The ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then, find the ratio of their areas. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Areas ratio is 3:5. The ratio of sides ratio. Then find the ratio of their area. Side ratio is given, we have to find the ratio of their area. Very simple. Firstly, consider that the similar triangle be S1 and S2. S1 and S2 are the name given to the two triangles, and A1 and A2 are their corresponding areas. Then S1, S2, S2 is equal to 3:5 means side of a triangles. Similar triangles side. S1 and S2 are the two sides of a similar triangle, and A1 and A2 are their corresponding areas, and therefore S1 upon S2 is equal to 3/5. This is a given. So what is the theorem of area of similar triangle? A1 upon A2 is equal to side square. So what is side? Side 1 is 3 square, and upon S2 that is 5 square. So you will get 9 upon 25. Therefore the ratio of area of similar triangle is equal to the square of the corresponding sides, and it is 9:25. Very simple. Just you have to remember to write the reason. Which step? This step. Okay students, next question. Now listen, this is a activity based only. Like this question they will not ask, because just for the understanding it is given, because only 2-3 blanks are here. Now listen, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3, then fill in the blank. So area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to obviously the ratio of their square of corresponding side. Therefore it is AB square upon PQ square. So AB square is 2, PQ is 3, and therefore it is 2 square upon 3 square, that is 4/9. And you have to write the reason in the bracket, theorem of area of similar triangle. Question 3. Now if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then area of triangle ABC is how much? 80. Area. Now here it is given areas. You have to find out the side. Then fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks means activity. Now see, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 80 upon 125. So it is 16 upon 25. This is by reducing. Okay. By dividing both numerator and denominator 5, you will get the 16 upon 25. Now area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is equal to corresponding side square. So it is AB square upon PQ square. This is by the theorem of area of similar triangle. Now what is AB square upon PQ square? It is 16/25. Therefore from first and second, by taking a square root of both sides, you will get AB upon PQ is equal to 4/5. So when the areas ratio given, you can find out the side ratio. If side ratio is given, you can find out the areas ratio of a similar triangle. Very important. When we have to use this formula, the concept, when the two similar triangle are given. When the triangles are not similar, then use the half into base into height formula to find out the area. Understood, students? Remember, don't be confused. Sometimes in the question only the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to 5, PQ is equal to like that it is given. When base and height given, always remember that maybe sometimes there will be both the triangles are not similar. If they are similar, then take their square of corresponding sides. If it is they are not similar, then their area is not equal to this. So don't use the theorem when the triangles are not similar. If triangles are similar, given triangles are similar, then only you can use the theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, students, so learn this concept. Firstly, the theorem. That's the only 3 questions today I am going to explain you. So learn properly the theorem, and these 3 questions you have to note down in your notebook. In the doubt session, you can ask me the doubt. Thank you.